The AquaSense Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with an advanced intelligent path optimization algorithm, ensuring precise cleaning of both above-ground and in-ground pools. Its powerful brushless motor provides exceptional suction, enabling it to effectively climb walls and capture debris with its ultra-fine filter basket. Featuring a dual-brush system, the AquaSense maximizes cleaning efficiency and coverage, offering superior mobility and control. This pool vacuum intelligently selects optimal cleaning paths, supporting both N-shape and S-shape routes for maximum efficiency. Completely cordless, the AquaSense offers up to 3 hours of floor cleaning on a single charge, enhancing convenience with its cordless charging dock. With 15 certifications including ETL and IP68, the AquaSense ensures exceptional safety and reliability for pool maintenance.